What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. The light is like dark and I just have a little light on. I just want to make an introduction because I really want to do a little small vlog with my girls. I'm getting ready to go chill with my girls and I'm so excited because yeah, it's a good day and I'm feeling good, I'm feeling happy, and I can't wait to go. So before you get into this video, my name is Cassie. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe right up now and put the notification on so you know every time I drop a new video, and also subscribe to my channel so you know every time I drop a new banger. Anyways, guys, so I'm ready to go. I'm waiting for my Uber and I'm gonna go meet up with my girls. So it's gonna be a little quick vlog. Hopefully we have a good time. I'm pretty sure we are, inshallah, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next scene. What's up, guys? So I told you guys I was about to come here and hang out with my girls. So here we are. I didn't even show you guys my food because I'm so full right now. Like my stomach.
It's been so long.
5 months
Right
pregnant. Really?
Yeah, I forgot even.
Say what's up, guys.
Hey. What's up?
What you doing?
Some good food over here. Well seasoned.
That's the chef over there.
We're loving it.
Benny, the food was amazing.
Thank you, guys.
Yes.
I really wanted to make something simple but really good.
So tell us what we had. The menu was what?
So we had steak.
Okay.
It was baked steak, so that way less fat.
Oh, okay.
But I did put a bit of oils just so like
Yeah, I know what
it
you mean.
doesn't stick. But I didn't fry it or anything like that, so it was all baked. And we had I don't know, Korean broccoli.
Yeah.
Yeah, broccoli. So it's how I made that. It was I did fried garlic and added the broccoli and then a bit of spices and just let it steam, and that's it.
It was good.
It was really good.
And you have a salad,
Caesar salad, and you have like baguettes
with no bacon in it.
and some mimosas.
So Farrah is here.
And then we got
He's back.
Say what's up.
I'm so hungry though.
Yo, this food, this mad food. We already ate and we're so full. Like my stomach is looking like.
Bien manger, huh?
On a bien mangé. Regarde,
Bien manger?
regarde ça.
No, I'm not trying to work now. I'm trying to just eat and drink. I'm not trying to really move.
Farrah, t'as tellement perdu du poids.
Vraiment?
Oh my god, your face is so cute.
Vraiment?
I swear.
Closer to juice.
Well, you're gonna go closer to the campagne.
Yeah. But I need my car first. I'm working on my driving license.
Where?
Oh, c'est bon parce que c'est moins cher là-bas, hein?
Yeah. Mais I need my driving license first.
Benny, come say something to my followers. Let's sing. Talk your shit. Say something. Tell them to subscribe. Subscribe to Cassie's channel.
What else?
Come,
I like the hair. It's really nice. She's giving me a Janet Jackson vibe.
Okay.
Very pretty. Yeah, and the baby hair.
Oh, okay.
Super cute.
You do like it too? Okay, tell them.
C'est vraiment poétique.
Yeah, poetic justice. Yeah, that one too. Yeah. It's really sick. It's funny because I never thought about doing a hairstyle like this, so I might copycat.
Oh,
Summer though.
I knew you have a
It's pretty though. It's very
I knew you had that in
Because
you.
you get the hair to do this though. Me, my hair at the back, and it said it's only bye-bye.
Really? So guys, we're still here, strong. We ate. I'm full as hell, and yeah.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Yes.
Mais ça, je dis parce que.
Tatu. Ama só faz galáxia tatus.
Oh, j'aime beaucoup cette papa, Fanny.
Give birth today.
He's jumping. I'm like, oh my god. Attends. On va se réchauffer un peu. Sérieusement. Attends, je shake it. Ok. Go down. Puis on va l'autre. Puis non, Fanny, regarde. Tu vois, attends. Quand on écarte, il pousse l'arrière. Quand on rentre.
Hey, hey. Y'all better learn the twerking moves right here. Hey, hey. Oh, you heard it. Dude, man, every time you round to, yeah, man, around you. I want to grab you. Hey! What the fuck? Penny, how was twerking? Bro, I don't know how to twerk. I thought I knew how to twerk. Tell us, the expert, tell us, how do you twerk?
It's not easy, guys. Twerking.
Give us one twerking tip.
I'm tired, guys. Leave me alone.
No, one tip,
You want
please.
tip?
Yeah.
Let me show you.
Okay.
You know when you twerk, you gotta the belly.
Okay.
The spandex.
Okay.
Up.
Okay.
You hold that.
All right.
So then you put it like that. You put
Okay.
it down, whatever. And then you gotta be comfortable. You play your leg around like. And then you go down. Once you go down, you
Yes.
push everything. You see how it's round?
Okay.
See, like a front.
Oh my God. That's it. Okay.
When it's, the legs are open like this.
Okay.
The knees out.
Like that.
When the
Okay.
knees are out.
Okay.
Push. You see that?
Okay.
When
You push the booty. Oh.
it's in, you close.
Oh. I swear, that was really important. You see, she did it good. Why are you playing? Hey.
She knows.
Hey.
After the burn in my legs.
Hey. Hey. Bam, 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 bam.
I'm not in that step yet.
Anyway, Betty, show us the twerking. Nah.
Funny. Arrête. Stop playing. Push your up. Push your ass out. Inside. Push it in.
Hey,
In.
like that, yes.
We up. In. We like that faster. We. Look at what? Be down.
Okay. Hello guys, how you doing? Ooh, come here, Fab. Let's do a shout out. Shout out to Cassie's channel.
Shout out to my
She's
girl,
looking
Cassie.
so beautiful.
I love her.
We're looking sick.
I look sick.
No, I'm kidding. We're looking like COVID.
Come on.
We're looking like COVID.
No, I look like I'm tired and I have kids. That's what I look
No, let's pretend. Let me do. I have how many I have?
No, you don't look tired.
3.
You look like you're just working. And you're taking care of yourself.
Okay, so anyways, hi guys. So this is Cassie's channel. Please subscribe, like, and comment. Right now we're just hanging out, girls now. Dinner. We almost tried to do like a twerk competition, and we all just came to find out that none of us know how to twerk. So it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? We're black, but we don't know how to twerk. But guess what? We're gonna learn today.
We're gonna learn to twerk today.
Cheers.
Own
Let
it.
me go get Cassie. Let me go. See what she's doing.
It's all in your head.
Hi girl. What's up? Ooh. Hey Gadi. You smith. So yeah, let's do that.
Cassie, come down.
She's on the phone.
Oh, I'm so excited. I'm the most happy woman ever.
I love that.
Lighters up, one time lighters up. Pulled up to the party when you saw me, I was like, lighters in the air when you're lighting up the rain and it's feeling like I met you before. Girl, I feel your presence when they let you through the door. Never had a party, give you everything to me.
J'adore ces beats. J'aime leur son. Les sons du British. It's like raw. I don't really do this to them, but this is like British people. Yeah, comme British, I parle africain, whatever. And they are from England. Mais tu vois que leurs sons sont différents. Ouais, c'est comme un party. Oui, c'est comme il y a un vibe là-dedans. Maybe it's sick though. Oh, I love it. That's my husband. Yeah. J'aime bien Rotimi. Rotimi is doing his thing.
Guys, let's come talk to the camera.
Yeah, but there's no
Let's
light
down.
here. The lighting sucks.
It doesn't matter, Casey.
It matters. Lighting matters. Okay, quickly guys, before the camera close up, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my videos.
Yes.
This is me, my girls.
Yes.
I had a good
It's us.
time, and I love you guys, and I hope you keep subscribing and you like this video, and I will see you in the next video if this video turns off, and I will see you again. Okay?
Oh my god, that was so YouTubey.
It's okay. Now let's go back
I
to
was
normal.
scared. I was like, am I acting normal?
Let's get back to normal
Hi
now.
people.
Let's
Is
get back
that
to
the right
normal.
way?